Right guys, I thought I'd record a video on Syd, well you can see what it is, it's a security suite for red team, blue team and forensic analysis. This video is on one of the red team tools, Nmap. As you can see here, I've basically pasted in Nmap output, so it's done air gap this, so there's no internet, no call outs, no nothing. The actual interface, you can put your target in there, you can run it as a live Nmap scan, so you set your path for your Nmap test tool. If it says it's working fine, you put your target in, scan profile, the ports that you want to scan, the speed, and there you have some quick buttons, basically quick scan presets that you can use. But this one's been done in air gapped conditions. So I've pasted in the results of an Nmap scan, clicked analyze results, and here's the raw output of that. So you get the raw output of the scan, the services that have been found. This is quite a juicy scan. The next steps that you should take to either exploit the machine that you're scanning or to defend the machine that you're scanning in air gap mode, or it's basically made for air gapped places, Syd, so it should be your that you're scanning, not somebody else's. And then over here you can ask your questions either about the scan that you've run or any other Nmap questions. So here's some of the questions I've asked. This is for test. I've asked 30 questions. I think it's got about 99% correct, and it's consistently getting them correct as well. It's hallucinating, but it catches its hallucinations, as you'll see further down in this. So, what target was scanned? IP host name. Syd's answer. Was the host up? What was the latency? Syd's answers, and so on. How many ports were scanned? Obviously you'll need to pause this video and check the answers yourself, but they are correct. You can take my word for it, and it does work on all Nmap scans. I'm just looking for the hallucination this has had, so I can show you how he finds it. He's recognised what type of machine this is, Active Directory. He's recognised how you can exploit this machine. Just carrying on. And he gives advice on how to exploit the machine or defend against the machine, defend the machine or the network as well. So it's not a hacking tool, it's a red team and a blue team tool. Just looking for the hallucination. Like I say, you can pause these and read the answers yourself, but everything on this is 100% now, and this is free as well. Just to let you know, it'll be going up on GitHub shortly. Just looking for the hallucination. There is 30 questions here. I'm scrolling through them quite slowly so you can pause and check the answers yourselves. Where is this hallucination? It completely tells you everything about this Nmap scan. These questions aren't just about this Nmap scan, there are some generic questions in there as well. And is there evidence of virtualization? No, there's not. Here's a good one. What might be the likely role of the host? As it says, based on the facts of the scan, the host's IP address appears to be a domain controller. And then down here, It tells you in penetration testing, identifying a domain controller is a critical because it often contains sensitive information and is a high value target for attackers. So obviously if you get that, you know you need to defend against that and secure that machine up. It gives you next Nmap commands to do. Tells you the high risks of the machine that you've scanned. Gives you follow-up scans. NSC scripts that he would run next, that's Syd. So this is obviously excellent for anybody learning Nmap or learning pen testing. Again, I'm just still looking for this hallucination. There is one hallucination in here. There we go. Where might service detection be wrong, false positives, and how to validate it. So, although he still answers, it does say it's blocked or a hallucination detected. So it still does give you the answer, but you know that that answer is more than likely wrong because it says blocked hallucination detected. If we carry on down, what does the traceroute hops tell you about the network layout if it's present? If OS detection shows low confidence, what could improve it? It tells you exactly what to do. This is purely for Nmap, by the way, guys. I'll just go through the whole system in a minute, but I'm just showing you the 30 questions. So what's this one here? Create a prioritized exploitation plan purely from the output. Cop 3 paths, and obviously Syd gives you this. So the first one is obviously SMB 445 TCP, and it gives you the full 5. And then convert it to a JSON file, structured. And then the last question that I asked was spot 3 quiet indicators of compromise misconfiguration that many people miss and justify them using lines from the output. And there we have it. He's basically answered every question. He's picked up on hallucinations. He's picked up on the type of computer that we've scanned. He's picked up on everything. Now, this system will be ready very shortly. It'll be available on GitHub for free download. It'll have Nmap. It will have Bloodhound, which is working. And it will have Volatility 3. All of these are working, all perfectly, all pick up hallucinations, everything else. The rest of the system, obviously you see in the red team, we will have Metasploiter, Crackmap, In-Packet Responder, Hashcat, Foxbuster, KernerLetCap, Payload Builder. For Blue Team tools, obviously it's quite obvious what you're getting again. And for forensics, we'll have all this stuff here. Easy to use, quick to use, captures hallucinations without any issues whatsoever. And it'll be ready very shortly. So the whole point of this is it is completely air gapped. It doesn't make any call outs to any ChatGPTs. It's not a wrapper. Completely air gapped. Good for infrastructure. Good for scanning your network. But it can also be used as a penetration testing tool by setting the path for each tool that you have, and then it can go outside and scan. But again, it doesn't use any ChatGPT. Everything is done on a RAG engine, all chunk knowledge. So it's loaded 535 Nmap knowledge chunks for Nmap at the moment. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment or get in touch with me directly. And that's it. Give my channel a like, obviously. And that's it. Thanks for watching.